Alright guys, let's go straight to the point. This trick is absolutely not harmful. So we open Safari, then we're going to search Samsung I test. See Samsung I test. So alright, so we go and then you choose the link with .inz. Alright, so we open that and then we're going to put that in our home screen by clicking that over there. We add to home screen and then we press the add over there and then oh man, let me put that somewhere and see it clear. Alright, so here is it guys. Alright, so let's open it guys, let's feel the vibes. So next let's go guys, we need it. Oh man, it's just like an Android, absolutely Samsung man. You see, just like Samsung. Previously I was using Samsung and oh man, let's check the phone app. It's working absolutely perfect. And let's go to the settings. Look at this man, it's just like an Android. So you can choose to keep it. Let's check the camera. So the camera too is absolutely working. So alright, so it's just a bookmark, it's not anything harmful. So you can keep it or delete it. It's just a bookmark you can. So the amazing thing is you can use it to shock your friends and how amazing to run an Android on iPhone. So guys, please subscribe and like. This is a new channel I'm starting.